The 7 o'clock movie will not be seen tonight, so that we may bring you the following specials.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos.
The Sights and Sounds of a Houston Christmas is brought to you in part by Southwestern Bell Telephone, the one to call on, and by Southwest Airlines, sending people home for the holidays for nearly 20 years.